Well, hey, look at this beauty. So we've got a Mustang in today. It's having a hood clean and reproof. It gets obviously the exterior detail with a 3 months wax. The roof isn't really that dirty. We can see a couple of obviously telltale signs that there's dirt. And round the back, we've got a solid back window in there, which is lovely. We've got slight wear marks, but nothing major. We're also doing the drain flush and the 2-year minimum detection. So when we do the critox, obviously we do all the rubbers as well. So it's a very nice car. Okay, so the Mustang's all done. It's had a clean and reproof and a special offer on the exterior. So it's looking nice and shiny. The roof is now protected and it's had the critox of the rubbers, and it's also had the drain flush on this one as well. So as you can see, it looks very nice. All the glass has been done. It's had a courtesy back as well and a bit of tyre sheen. So it's ready to go out and looks stunning on the roads. Okay.
Amazing.